Where is Anna?
She is in the bedroom.
What is she doing?
She is reading a book.
Where is the phone?
It is on the table.
Where is the baby?
The baby is near the window.
What is the baby doing?
The baby is sleeping. Where are you?
I am in the kitchen.
What are you doing?
I am making breakfast.
Where is your mother?
She is in the dining room.
What is she doing?
She is preparing tea.
Where are Tom and Lisa?
They are in the living room.
What are they doing?
They are watching a movie.
Where is the cat?
The cat is under the chair.
What is it doing?
It is resting.
Who is this man?
He is my brother.
What is his name?
His name is Daniel.
Where was this photo taken?
It was taken in New York.
What is behind him?
There is a tall building behind him.
Excuse me, where is the hospital?
It is next to the supermarket.
Is it far from here?
No, it is very close.
Can I walk there?
Yes, you can.
May I help you?
Yes, I am looking for a bag.
What color do you like?
I like blue.
Sorry, we don't have blue today.
That's okay, I will take black.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
Is your car new?
Yes, it is new.
Is it big or small?
It is small but comfortable.
Is it expensive?
No, it is affordable.
Hello, this is Mark.
Hello, Mark, this is Emma.
Can I call you later?
Yes, call me in the evening.
What time is good for you?
7 o'clock is fine.
You look tired.
Yes, I have a cold.
Are you taking any medicine?
Yes, I am taking some tablets.
Do they help?
Yes, I feel better now.
Hello, Emma, I'm waiting for a taxi.
Hello, Mark, where do you want to go?
Please take me to Green Street.
Sure, sit down, please.
How long will it take?
About 10 minutes.
It's very hot today.
Yes, the weather is terrible.
Do you like summer?
No, I prefer winter.
Excuse me, where is the check-in counter?
It is straight ahead.
May I see your passport?
Yes, here you are.
Is this your first time flying?
Yes, it is.
May I see the menu, please?
Here you are. What would you like to order?
I would like chicken rice.
Would you like a drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Is this bus going to the city center?
Yes, it is.
When will it arrive?
In 5 minutes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. How are you feeling today?
I am feeling very good and ready to learn.
That is nice to hear. Are you ready for the class now?
Yes, I am ready, and I have my book with me.
Please sit down and open your English book.
What subject are we going to study today?
Today, we are going to study English conversation.
Thank you, teacher. I am ready to start.
Let us begin the lesson now.
Good morning. I hope you are doing well today.
Good morning. Yes, I am doing very well, thank you.
What time did you arrive at the office this morning?
I arrived at the office at 9 o'clock sharp.
Is the manager available in the office right now?
Yes, the manager is in his room at the moment.
Do you have any meetings scheduled for today?
Yes, I have an important meeting at 11 o'clock.
Would you like to have some hot tea with me?
Yes, I would love to have a cup of tea.
How many cups of tea should I bring for us?
2 cups will be enough for both of us.
Do you like sugar in your tea or without sugar?
I prefer my tea without sugar, please.
The tea smells very nice and fresh.
Yes, it was just made a few minutes ago.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our bank.
Good afternoon. Thank you very much.
How may I help you today, ma'am?
I would like to open a new bank account.
Do you have your identification documents with you?
Yes, I have my ID card right here.
Please fill out this form carefully.
Sure, I will fill it out now.
Please tell me what problem you are facing.
I have been having a bad headache since yesterday.
Have you felt any fever or weakness?
Yes, I have a slight fever and I feel weak.
How long have you been feeling like this?
I have been feeling sick since last night.
Please take this medicine twice a day after meals.
Thank you, doctor. I will follow your advice.
What would you like to buy today?
I would like to buy some fresh vegetables.
How much do the tomatoes cost per kilo?
They cost $2 per kilo today.
Are these vegetables fresh and good quality?
Yes, they arrived fresh this morning.
Please give me 1 kilo of tomatoes.
Okay, I will pack them for you.
What are you doing at the moment?
I am cleaning the room and organizing things.
Why does the room look so messy today?
It became messy because we were very busy. Can you please help me clean the room?
Yes, I will help you right away.
Let us finish the work as quickly as possible.
Sure, let us work together. Is that a new mobile phone you are using?
Yes, I bought this phone just yesterday.
Does it have a good camera and battery life?
Yes, the camera is clear and the battery lasts long.
Was the phone very expensive?
No, it was affordable and within my budget.
I really like the design of your phone.
Thank you, I am very happy with it.
What kind of movie are you watching right now?
I am watching a comedy movie at the moment.
Is the movie interesting and enjoyable?
Yes, it is very funny and relaxing.
Who is your favorite actor in this movie?
My favorite actor is playing the main role.
Let us watch the movie together.
Sure, that sounds great.
Good evening. Welcome to our bakeries.
Good evening, thank you.
What would you like to order today?
I would like to buy a cake for my family.
Which flavor would you prefer?
I would like a chocolate cake, please.
Would you like anything else?
No, that will be all for today.
Welcome to my house. I am happy to see you.
Thank you for inviting me to your home.
Please come inside and make yourself comfortable.
Your house looks very clean and beautiful.
Would you like some water or tea?
Yes, I would like some water, please.
Feel free to relax here.
Thank you very much.
What time is it right now?
It is already 10 o'clock at night.
Are you feeling tired or sleepy now?
Yes, I am feeling very sleepy.
What time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock.
Good night, sleep well.
Good night, sweet dreams.
Practice every day. Speak slowly and clearly. Mistakes help you learn. Keep learning English with Mr. USA English and subscribe.